Hello boys and girls, and welcome to our ALD time. So today we're going to be doing sentence writing. As you can see, I have my giant paper back here to write with. You don't need a paper this size. Just get regular size paper and something to write with, because we're gonna do something a little bit different today. I'm gonna slowly start to give you more control over what you write. Are you interested in that? Cool. Well, first, let's go over. We have some words that we're going to be using today. We're going to use, for the first sentence, from and they. And you might recognize these as sight words. Yeah, you might recognize them. They and from. So we're going to come up with a sentence that uses, I'd like to use both of them. Let's see. From and they. What might we do? Hello! Oh, Mrs. Duck, hello, hello. I know a sentence to use those words in. Do you? What is it? They and from? Yes. Where are they from? A question. And so we can have a question mark. Yes, I knew it all along. Thank you very much. That's a wonderful idea, Mrs. Duck. Yes, thank you. Thank you. I do have wonderful ideas, don't I, boys and girls? All right, well, toodaloo. I'll see you later. Get to your writing. Have fun with it. Bye-bye. Ciao. Ta-ta. Cheerio. See you later. Mrs. Duck came up with a wonderful sentence. She must have been brainstorming, right? Remember, brainstorming is thinking about what you're going to write before you start writing? I think she did that. So, where are they from? Where are they from? Let's get to that. I got a different color pen today to see if it makes it a little bit easier to see. And I see the top is a little bit off. There we go. Where are they from? So, let's get to it. Remember, we always start with a capital when we're starting our sentence. Ready? So where is W and an H. Now we haven't learned about this yet, so I didn't want to try to sound this out, because if we tried to sound out where, we'd come up with something much different than what it is. Where W-H-E-R-E. Where, we have our space, R, A-R, E, then our sight word, they. Oops, I almost forgot the space. T, H, E, Y. And there's my daredevil hanging off into the river, but you see none of my other letters are daredevil, so none of them are hanging off over into the river. So where are they from? From. It's our other sight word, and that is F, R, O, M. And we want to, remember, we always end with a punctuation, right? Punctuation mark. Now, what are we going to have here? This is a question, so when it's a question, you can't have just a regular period. We have what's called a question mark. And question marks are pretty fun to draw. They're kind of a curvy line. They almost look like a letter, and they have a dot underneath it. Watch this. We curve around and then come down like this, and then a big dot. It's a pretty cool looking symbol. That is a question mark because we asked a question. Where are they from? Where are they from? Now, that's one part of what I want you to do today. Now, the second part is this. I'm going to give you 3 words to brainstorm with. And I want you to come up with one sentence using at least one of these words. You don't have to use all 3 in one sentence, no. I just want you to use at least one. If you can use 2, that's awesome. 3 would be spectacular. But you don't have to. If you want to write more than one sentence for more practice and use the other words, that'd be great too. All right? So we have and this and was, and this and was. Now, before you start writing, make sure you brainstorm. I mean, remember, you think about what you're going to write before you write it. Once you come up with a sentence in your head, then you can write it, right? Now, it takes a little while, or it may take a... Hello! Mrs. Duck, you're back. Yes, yes. I was just thinking. I was thinking about sentences to use. Yeah? Yes, this writing can be wonderful if we use the right sentences. Yeah, that's great. And maybe you can use pencil and crayons. Or maybe you're going to play at the park with your friend Fred, and you could say, me and him are going. Is that, are you, okay, I see what you're doing here. Yes, this is easy. Is it? Is it really easy? Yes. Now, since it already happened, it was easy. Do you see what I've done there? All right, Mrs. Duck, I think you've given enough hints. I think you've helped them out enough. But it's time for them to brainstorm, don't you think? Oh, yes. I'll leave it to you. This was fun. This was fun. And there goes Mrs. Duck. So, if you listen to Mrs. Duck, she was using some of our words, was, and, this. So she gave us a couple hints. If you were listening really good, she gave you some ideas about sentences you could write. 4-sentence writing. So this is a big step up. Normally, so far this year, I've been writing and leaving some blanks for you, right? Leaving some blanks for you. Today, I wrote the whole first sentence out, and you are just following along and copying that. But now, for the first time this year, you are going to write your own complete sentence. Your own complete sentence. This is going to be great. Practice makes us better. Once we get past our writing one sentence, then we're going to write 2, and then we're going to be writing books, probably, right? Maybe not books, but we're going to be writing a lot more. All right, boys and girls, you have fun with this. Take care. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.